Hey traders! It's November 20th, 2024, and today we're diving deep into the Forex markets to prepare for what's ahead tomorrow, November 21st. There's been a lot of movement across major currency pairs today, and with some key data releases scheduled for tomorrow, it's time to position ourselves for potential setups. Stick around to catch technical levels, news highlights, and strategies to help you make informed decisions. Let's start with a quick recap of today's market activity. Euro to US dollar. The euro gained ground against the dollar, closing just above the 1.0900 level. This move was driven by weaker-than-expected US housing data, which reinforced expectations for the Federal Reserve to pause rate hikes. Tomorrow, keep an eye on the 1.0880 support level and 1.0950 resistance. If the pair breaches 1.0950, it could test the 1.1000 psychological level. Pound sterling to US dollar. Sterling experienced a volatile session today, oscillating between 1.2650 and 1.2750. The Bank of England's recent dovish tone has capped gains for the pound, but any dollar weakness tomorrow might push it higher. Key levels to watch are 1.2630 on the downside and 1.2780 as immediate resistance. US dollar to Japanese yen. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways, hovering near the 150.50 mark. With concerns over potential intervention by Japan's Ministry of Finance still in play, this pair remains unpredictable. Tomorrow's US jobless claims data might add fuel to this pair's volatility. Keep 150.00 as critical support and 151.20 as resistance. Tomorrow's economic calendar is packed with high-impact events that could shake up the Forex market. US initial jobless claims, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the key data point for tomorrow. If claims come in higher than expected, it could weaken the dollar further, especially against risk-sensitive currencies like the Aussie and Kiwi. ECB monetary policy meeting minutes, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Traders will be analyzing these minutes for clues about the European Central Bank's stance on future rate hikes or cuts. Any hawkish signals could strengthen the euro. Australian employment data, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This data will heavily impact AUD pairs. A strong report might push Australian dollar to US dollar higher, testing resistance near 0.6600. Now let's break down the charts and identify potential setups. Euro to US dollar. The RSI is approaching overbought territory on the 4-hour chart. If we see a pullback, look for buying opportunities near 1.0880. Alternatively, a breakout above 1.0950 could open the door for a run toward 1.1000. Pound sterling to US dollar. The 50-day moving average sits near 1.2660, acting as a strong support level. If price holds above this level, consider going long with a target of 1.2780. US dollar to Canadian dollar. Oil prices have been trending higher, providing support for the Canadian dollar. Watch for a potential bearish breakout below 1.3600, which could lead to further downside toward 1.3550. Before we wrap up, let's talk risk. Always use a stop loss, especially during high-impact news events. Volatility can be your best friend, or your worst enemy. Consider reducing position sizes during periods of uncertainty. Staying in the game is more important than chasing every pip. Diversify your trades. Avoid overexposing yourself to one currency or economic region. That's it for today's forecast. Remember, the Forex market never sleeps, so preparation is key. Mark those levels, keep an eye on the news, and stick to your strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're always ahead of the game. Good luck out there, and I'll see you tomorrow for another update. Trade smart.